right, you registered, grab one of these, start fishing, grab a number. It's a sticker on one side, a number on the other. Make sure you have my number. If and when you catch a fish, call me. I'm gonna send a referee to you guys. Everybody, take a photo of my phone number. If and when you catch a fish, call me. I'm gonna send a referee to you. Heaviest bass wins, not fish. Heaviest largemouth bass. All right. I got that question. So just to pick one, anything, any number. Just grab a number and go.
All right, fam. So we're starting this morning off fishing the Unique Scout.
Like non-stop, bro.
Dude, I'm getting it in the money spot.
Yeah.
Homeboy got a tilapis.
Definitely hit the head fool.
Sheesh, what a G. What a G. That fool hit the Chad, homie.
Bro, he's buried. Let me see your fucking pliers turn.
Yeah. Yeah. First tilapia of the day. That fool said, I'm on.
Bro, I thought it was a good bass, bro. Like,
yeah, they fight like bass too, huh?
Yeah, they do.
Sheesh. That fool started flopping all around and shit, dude. I thought it was a bass.
Right. Here.
Put it in the pocket right there. Got it? Straight mojada. Hey, damn boy.
Not the one we're looking for.
Someone else caught a 3-pound tilapia over there.
Yeah, that's
really.
So there's been 4 fish caught.
Okay.
One of them, some guy caught on a popper, disqualified.
Nice.
Stupid. And then the other 2 were not in the tournament. They're just here with their buddies.
Really?
Cock blocking everyone's fish.
Yeah, I just caught a fucking tilapia on this stupid thing.
Did you?
Like,
yeah.
You can get to do all kinds.
That's why I like this. This has been my fucking hype bait that nobody can get. So
Oh yeah, I haven't seen you slay on those.
Look at the wings.
I think they
Right?
Oh,
See the
wow.
wings? A lot
I
of people
just saw
don't.
somebody.
They already got bit?
Like that, that's big as hell though.
Probably one of these guys.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what it was right there.
So I think I started the crawler thing here in America. There's very few people. I caught a 9-something at Echo Park like 5 years ago with a camera crew. So we filmed it, the whole bite, everything on camera, and then I caught it on this bait actually. And
That's
then
sick.
I started throwing these giant ones, and then a lot of people started throwing them here. But like all fishing, it gets too pressured, then you gotta like find the next thing. So the next thing for me was to downsize it. I mean, the paint job on this is stupid. Like it looks like a real bait. But to your point, this one little bait can do like 5 different things.
Yeah.
It's a topwater bait, but if you just barely turn the handle, it like vibrates on a surface. You know, like when a bee,
Like a dragonfly or something.
dragonfly or bee lands. So if you do like really slow, it's just like zzz, it does that, right? If you do the normal retrieve, then it chops like a normal crawler.
Oh, that's bad.
And then I discovered this at Castaic like a month or 2 ago. If you go really fast and burn it, it sounds like a whopper plopper.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, fuck. So I was catching a bunch of like 1 and 2 pound striper of this thing the other day, and
That's
the
bitching.
hooks are super sharp. My only problem with them is that when you hook a big fish, they bend them out.
Dude,
Yeah.
Pyramid, I hooked like a big bass, like
And
7
you
or
can't
8.
put like bigger hooks on it or it doesn't work
But
right.
it just changes. I tried it. I gotta find something that's this size and weight, and then just get a stronger one.
When you do another rifle, bro.
Yeah.
I could already bought a couple of them, but I had more money. So.
Dude, there's gonna be a lot of dope
Yeah.
stuff that's gonna go.
D-A-R-R-E-L-L.
D-A-R-R.
E-L-L.
What's your last name?
West.
I doubt this is on something.
Probably not.
Right?
Yeah, I was like, I think like half the stuff on here.
right? I want one of those Butch Browns. Yeah, one of those signed Butch Browns.
The 250.
Yep.
He said he gave me these two, which I've never paid attention to the head. I like how the head actually looks on these baits.
I fished it before. It's real good.
Yeah, I've done the
I've
smaller one.
always been HUD or Depths 250s.
I threw the smaller one, the 6 inch.
Yeah, that's right.
I like I like my Lunker Punker in this one, and then I just got this one. I've only thrown it once, but this is another fucking versatile bait, dude. Like,
Is that the antidote?
no, it's the Tug. I
Tug.
don't even know if they're out yet. Fucking glides, it walks on the surface, and then it has this like the tug action where it makes this weird like kerplunking sound, like boom, boom. It sounds fucking weird. I haven't really put a lot of time into it, but it has a lot of technology, dude. It has like this like rash guard already.
Oh, that's sick.
It has these like tail things that you're supposed to put scent in. It's like a mesh. So you're supposed to put scent in the tail. The tail, I believe you can switch out colors on it. It's a cool bait, dude.
Yeah, that's
I just
badass.
haven't invested any time into it. It has like the spring in there too. So it's a
That's
really
insane.
Cool bait.
Oh,
that's
it's
a
a hog
Matt
lures.
Lures.
Oh, Matt lures.
Matt Lures right there.
I thought it was a Hinkle for a
Right,
second.
the
But
same one in
it
the-
looks like it's a hard bait.
It is, isn't it? Just
No,
like
it's soft
coated.
plastic.
Yeah, grab it.
It's like
Oh,
the 250s, but
Oh.
look, 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 look.
Got it!
Sheesh.
Here. Take the scale and the measuring board, Junior.
I have that.
Ooh, that got my heart pumping. Man,
Hell yeah, that's right.
my dick move. Let me clean this up for you, sir. Make this thing nice and shiny. I still see Ivan's fingerprints on here. Ivan's fingerprints, former champs, guys. We'll give it up. Year one, pilot, Castaic Lake. I'm sorry, Castaic Lagoon. I had to buy a possum because he caught 2 back-to-back giant bass with this bait. Year 2 was Stefan, Echo Park. He caught it on a battle shad. And then year 3, Ivan last year. What'd you catch that fish on last year? Toxic bait, bluegill, wing bait, or whippersnapper? Whippersnapper. All right. And now your new Swimbait King of Los Angeles, Matt. Is going home with the trophy here. Matt, what'd you catch that fish on? Secrets out. This was the color. This made no sense to me, guys. The water's crystal clear. We catch them on blue, this and that. That's how bass fishing is, but it makes no sense, right? Here's my theory, and then you give me yours. I told a couple guys the story already. Like a week or 2 ago, I can't put out the juice, right, until it's over. There was like a Buddhist monk club here, and they were releasing some colorful fish into the lake. That's super illegal, but they were releasing yellow, pink, white, orange, all kinds of color fish. That is my only theory on why he caught this bass on this freaking ugly ass bait. What's your theory?
I don't know. I just.
Why would you throw that pink bait?
I know more about what doesn't work here.
Okay.
What does work? I skunk a lot. And
Okay.
I know these fish like funky shit.
Okay. Funky shit.
Yeah.
Outside the box.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Give it up for Matt one more time. That bass was 5 pounds, 10 ounces, and it was 20 inches long. Okay, that's a big bass. Also, we'll give it up for I don't know if it was Simon. Simon came in 2nd place, little consolation prize. He caught a 3 pound 9 ounce, 19-inch bass on a toxic bait. Where's Simon at? Simon, you almost had it. You almost had it, bro. You were right there. Good stuff, dude. We got something for you. Guys, we're gonna start doing our raffles right now. If you want to get a raffle ticket, let me know. You can also join us on that deep sea trip if you don't get seasick. Bring a kid, bring a family member. So guys, thank you guys again. I just want to say thank you to like everyone that helped support, everyone that came out. Big thank you to all of these guys. Sims helped us out a bunch. Chris Purcell at Swimbait Underground. Mike Gilbert, Working Class Zero, Butch Brown. I hope I'm not forgetting anybody. But basically, we're a community, right? Like, Swimbait fishermen, we're a community. It's a really small niche market. So thank you guys for the support. Half that money is going to him, the other half's going to a trip. So keep an eye out for that. We're gonna use that money to probably buy some skateboards and fishing poles for the kids, tip the crew, fillet some fish, all of that stuff. Any questions, concerns, anything before I start doing the raffle things?
I want to buy a ticket.
Okay, does anybody else want to buy a ticket before we do the raffles?
There you go. That's actually smart.
Dylan Shaver. All right. I said the guys that went online could win this, so that we're gonna put this on the side. Dylan Shaver, if you're watching online, you just won, dude. We're gonna do 3 people online winners. Everyone else has to be here. Okay? We got a lot of stuff. We'll do a swim bait underground, big bait wrap here. Big bait wrap coming up. Loco Nova. Loco Nova, front row. Do you have one of those?
Nah, I don't.
Go this one again, the black one. Swim bait wrap right here. Pricey things. We got Matt G. Is that the champ? Oh! I forgot to get you your stuff. You going home with some Guppies hats? Swimming underground, striper, and he gets a TK. The chap's going home with the little care package. He just won this in a raffle, but he's going home with 3 hats, a TK, and then we have some hooks and split rings that are going. So hold on. Did you give me your ticket? That's what you want to go home. Yeah, these are the money ones apparently right here. We got 3 of them. We're gonna go with the Huddleston right here. Here we go, Battle Shad, guys. Battle Shad's going up. Oh, here we go. This is what everyone's been drooling over.
Oh, yeah.
Going with a crawler right here.
Hell yeah.
They don't work. These baits do not work. Daniel F. Daniel F. That's a piece of gold I just did.
Oh, that's right, push.
All right, let's see. Here we go. Let's go big. We're gonna go with the Joker.
Yeah, there's one more.
Joker's coming up. Michael Soliva. Hey. Another swim bait hat. Loco Nova. Do you have this one?
No.
There you go.
Good looking.
All right, let's go back another Butch Brown autograph. Thumper tail. Loco Nova.
Sheesh, that's the
This
last
guy's
one.
winning everything.
Good looking.
That's gonna be a really good YouTube video.
Appreciate it, bro.
Here we go. Let's go big. Battle Shad 9.0. Going through right now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Jose G. All right, the last one of it in its existence. My favorite color too. Here we go.
Jose G.
Oh, Jose G. Want it? Oh, I need dope pack. This is a dry pack, guys. This thing is dope. I think it's like a $300 backpack. You go fish for striper, bass in the rain, and keep all your stuff dry.
Put a whole striper in there. Shit.
It's also a flotation device. If you fall into the lake, this will actually keep you alive. Let's do the backpack. I love this. Is thank you to Sis, man. I personally have this waterproof one. I can just stay in there with my camera all day, every day. This one's even heavier duty than the one that I have. All right. Pick a ticket, sir. Look away. It's coming up.
What?
What's the name? Richie Where We Wild. Oh. I know you'll put it to use. I know you'll put that to use.
Thanks, man.
Nice.
Appreciate it.
Win.
Good stuff.
Nice. I want to tag me. Yeah, put your camera gear. Tag me when you make a YouTube video, okay? Split rings. Swimbait Underground split rings. Nicholas.
There you go.
Nicholas, split rings. That's weak. Here. Hold on. Swimbait Junkie wanted a kid to go home with a swim bait. You take this one too.
Oh, nice.
There you go. Swim bait. Thanks, dude.
Thanks.
You can put those new split rings on that new swim bait. There you go.
That's right.
Thanks, Eric.
Where's my bait?
All right. Tiny Clash, high floating, Tiny Clash, going out right now. 16. You. Tiny Clash. There you go. Nice. Okay, guys, we're still going. I'm gonna purchase 4 of those baits. So we're gonna pull 4 more tickets. Whoever wins, you walk over to that table, you pick any one of those swim baits, okay? That's our garage, our local garage builder, little guys over here. All right, 2 baits left, guys. The depth's 250 and 175 right here. It's going down. We're gonna go make it a little suspenseful. The last number on here is 1071. 1071. What's your name? Edgar. Edgar Bonilla. There you go. There you go. Nice. Next one. The number is the last 4. 1011. Big Bass Ron. Wow. That was worth the purchase. All right. Yep. Yeah. All right. So hang on, guys. If you got a ticket in your hand and you didn't win anything, I'm gonna try to get everyone a hat. So who has not won anything yet? Bring your ticket. You guys can clear out the box. You get a Guppies hat. Thanks, Tim. Grab a hat. You get the Straber hat. There you go, bro.
Oh, yes, hopefully he does the thing in November.
Yeah, right. The striper thing, I'll definitely push that.
Made of the ground.